Day to everyone, to our beloved campus administrator, respected faculty and staff, distinguished guests, proud parents and guardians, and most especially to my fellow graduates of Negros Oriental State University Mabinay campus. A pleasant day to all of you. Today is a very special day, a day we have been waiting for. A day when we once only imagined. Today, we are not simply here to receive our diplomas, wear our graduation togas, take pictures, and celebrate to our families and friends. We are here to celebrate how far we have come. Because behind every graduate standing here today is a story. A story of early mornings. A story of sleepless nights. A story of endless requirements, difficult examinations, stressful deadlines, and countless moments when we ask ourselves, kaya ko ba na ako? There were days when we felt tired. There were days when we felt pressured. There were days when we questioned ourselves. And perhaps, there were even moments when giving up seems easier than continuing. But somehow, we keep going. One day at a time. One requirement at a time. One examination at a time. And today, look at us. We are here, standing together, wearing our togas, celebrating an achievement that we once only dreamed about. And finally, we can say, we made it. My fellow graduates, if there is one thing our journey at Norsu Mabinay has taught us, it is that success does not come easily. Our journey was not only smooth. We made mistakes. We experienced failures and disappointments. We faced challenges that tested our patience, strength, and confidence. There were times when our plans did not work out. There were times when we felt like we were failing behind or we were falling behind. And there were times when we looked to other people and wondered why their journey seems easier than ours. But eventually, we learned something important. We do not have to have the same journey to reach success. Every person has a different story. Every person has different struggles. And every person has a different pace. Some of us may have reached this moment easily. Others may have to overcome challenges that nobody else knows about. But regardless of how difficult the journey was, we continued. And every challenge taught us something. Every failure made stronger. Every difficult moment helped us grow. Today is proof that slow progress is still progress. Sometimes, moving forward does not mean making big steps. Sometimes, it simply means waking up the next day and choosing to try again. And look where the perseverance brought us. We are here today. We are graduates. But this achievement is not ours alone. To our beloved parents and guardians, this moment is also for you. Thank you for every sacrifice you made for us. Thank you for waking up early. Thank you for working hard. Thank you for providing what you could. Thank you for supporting us, encouraging us, and believing in us, especially during the times when we doubted ourselves. There may have been moments when we were too busy with school to say how grateful we were. There may have been moments when we came home tired, stressed, and thinking only about the next requirement. But today, we want you to know how much we appreciate you. So, from the bottom of our heart, thank you. This diploma may carry our names. But behind every names are the sacrifices, prayers, supports, and love of the people who help us reach this day. So, graduates, as we look to our parents and guardians today, let us remember that this achievement is also a part of their story. This is their victory too. To our professors, instructors, and all the faculty members of Negros Oriental State University Mabinay campus, thank you. Thank you for teaching us more than the lessons found in the books. You taught us discipline. You taught us responsibility. You taught us patience. You challenged us to improve. And you reminded us that learning does not end inside the classroom. Yes, there were times when we complained about activities, reports, presentations, examinations, and deadlines. There were times when we asked, Sir, Ma'am, pwede ugma na lang? And there were times when we thought our requirements would never end. But now that we are standing here, we understand that those challenges were preparing us for something greater. The lessons we learn from you will not end with graduation. They will continue us when we enter our profession, our communities, and the next chapter of our lives. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for correcting us when we needed correction. And thank you for believing that we could become better versions of ourselves. And to my fellow graduates, thank you for being part of this journey. Our years at Northern Mabinay would not have been the same without one another. We shared classrooms, we shared group activities, we shared presentations, we shared examinations, we shared deadlines, and of course, we shared a lot of laughter. We helped one another when someone did not understand the lesson. We encouraged each other when someone felt like giving up. We listened when someone needed someone to talk to. And sometimes, when school becomes too stressful, all we needed was a good laugh with our friends. These simple moments may not appear in our transcripts. They may not be included in our diplomas. But these are the memories we will carry with us. Years from now, we may forget some of the lessons we memorized. We may forget some examination questions. We may even forget some of the deadlines that once keep us awake at night. But I believe we will remember the people. We will remember the friendships. We will remember the laughter. And we will remember the moments that made our college journey meaningful. My fellow graduates, today marks the end of one chapter. But most importantly, it marks the beginning of another. After today, we will take different paths. Some of us will continue our studies. Some will look for jobs. Some will immediately enter into the workforce. Some may start business, and some may still be giving out what comes next, or figuring out what comes next. And honestly, that is okay. We do not have to have everything figured out today. We don't have to succeed at the same time. And we do not have to follow the same path. Some of us may achieve our dreams early. Others may take a little longer, but taking longer does not mean failing. Changing directions does not mean giving up. Starting again does not mean that you are behind. Sometimes, the path we plan is not the path life gives us. And sometimes, the unexpected path leads us somewhere even better. So, do not be afraid if your journey looks different from someone else's. Your journey is yours. Your timeline is yours. And your definitions of success is yours. As we leave North to Mabinay, we will face face a world that may be more challenging than the one we knew as a student. There may be rejection. There may be failure. There may be disappointment. There may be the moments when things will not happen according to our plans. And when those moments come, I hope you remember this day. Remember the requirements we thought we could never finish. Remember the examination that made us nervous. Remember the presentations that made us anxious. Remember the challenges that once seemed impossible. And remember how we overcome them. If we were able to overcome the challenges that brought us to graduation, then we can also face the challenges waiting for us in the future. So, my fellow graduates, do not be afraid to fail. Failure does not define us. Sometimes, failure teaches us lessons that success cannot. We may fail, but we can rise again. Dala ko ito. Ikat na lang ako.
Ano lang yung bukas?
Nagsimod ako. Ay, nagpalunga. We may lose our way, but we can find another path. We may experience rejection, but rejection does not mean that we are not capable. And we may doubt ourselves. But let us never allow temporary struggles to destroy the dreams that we have worked so hard for. Today, we leave these institutions with more than just diplomas. We leave with knowledge. We leave with experiences. We leave with friendships. We leave with memories. But most importantly, we leave with a responsibility. As graduates of Negros Oriental State University Mabinay Campus, let us remember that education is not only about personal success. What we have learned should also be used to help others and serve our communities. The world does not only need people who are intelligent and successful. It needs people who are kind, people who are honest, people who are responsible, and people who are willing to serve, people who know how to listen, and people who will use their education not only to improve their own lives, but also to make us a difference in the lives of others. Wherever life takes us, may we remain humble when we succeed. May we remain strong when life becomes difficult. May we remain kind, even the world is not always kind to us. And we never forget the values that help shape us. Standing here as your valedictorian is truly an honor. But I do not stand here because I am better than anyone else. I stand here to represent a graduating class filled with hardworking, talented, and resilient individuals. Because every person here has a story. Every person here has faced something. Every person has made sacrifices. And every person here deserves to celebrate this moment. So today, I want to say this to all of you. To the students who struggled but continued, this is for you. To the students who failed but tried again, this is for you. To the student who almost gave up but choose to keep going, this is for you. To the students who cried privately but still come to class the next day, this is for you. To the parents and guardians who sacrifices for their children, this is for you. To the teachers who patiently guided us, this is for you. And to everyone who helped us reach this moment, this celebration is also yours. Before we leave this place, let us take a moment to look back. Think about the first day we entered Norso Mabinay. Some of us were nervous. Some were excited. Some probably did not know what to expect. We met new people. We entered new classrooms. We face new challenges, and little by little, we changed. We became more knowledgeable, more responsible, more independent, and stronger than we were when we first entered this campus. Today, we are no longer the same students who walked through those doors for the first time. We are now graduates. But graduation is not the end of learning. There are still many lessons waiting for us outside in this campus. Life itself still becomes one of our greatest teachers. It will teach us patience. It will teach us courage. And it will teach us how to rise after disappointment. It will teach us how to accept things we cannot control. And it will teach us that sometimes the path towards our dreams may not look exactly the way we imagine. But wherever life takes us, never stop learning, never stop growing, never stop dreaming, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourselves. My fellow graduates, the future may be uncertain. We may not know exactly where we will be 5 or 10 years from now. We may not know what job we will have. We may not know what opportunities will come our way. We may not know what challenges we will face. But uncertainty should not stop. But uncertainty should not stop us from moving forward. Instead, let us remind us that we have many possibilities ahead. The future is a blank page. And beginning today, we have the opportunity to write our own stories. Some chapters may be difficult. Some may be filled with success. Some may contain unexpected turns. But every chapter will help shape the people we are becoming. So as we move forward, let us carry 3 things with us: gratitude, courage, and hope. Gratitude for the people who helped us reach this day. Courage to face whatever challenges the future brings. And hope to continue believing that better opportunities are waiting for us. My fellow graduates, there will be times when life becomes difficult. There will be moments when we question our decisions. There will be moments when we wonder if we are one of the right path. When what happens, remember today. Remember your family. Remember your teachers. Remember your friends. And remember the sacrifices you made. And remember one important thing. You have already survived difficult days before. You have already faced moments when you thought you could not continue. But you did. You continued. You survived. And you made it here. So if life becomes difficult again, remind yourself, nakasurvive ko sa una, makaya ko na ako karon. Today, we say goodbye to one chapter of our lives. We may no longer sit together in the same classrooms. We may take different paths. We may meet new people. We may meet new people. We may discover new opportunities. Some friendships may become distant because life becomes busy. But a part of our story will always remain here at Norso Mabini. This campus was more than just a place where we attend classes. It was where we learned, where we struggled, where we grow, where we made friendships, where we discovered ourselves, and where we prepared ourselves for the future. Years from now, when we look back at this day, I hope we will remember more than the diplomas and awards. I hope we remember the journey. The laughter, the struggles, the friendships, the sacrifices, the late nights, the small victories, and the dreams that becomes us here, or the dreams who brought us here. To my fellow graduates, be proud of yourselves. Not because everything was perfect, not because you never failed, not because the journey was easy. Be proud because we continued despite everything. We faced challenges, we overcome struggles, we learn from our mistakes, we grow stronger. And today, we stand here as graduates. So let us celebrate this moment with grateful hearts. Let us thank the people who helped us. Let us honor the sacrifices that made this day possible. And let us face the future with confidence. Class of 2026-2027, this is our moment. Today, we close one chapter. Tomorrow, we begin another. The world is waiting for us. There are dreams to prepare, or there are dreams to pursue, goals to achieve, communities to serve, families to make proud, and lives to touch. Let us go forward with courage. Let us carry our values with us. Let us remain humble in our success. Let us remain strong during difficult times. Let us be kind wherever we go. And wherever life takes us, may we always remember where part of our journey began. From the classroom and hallways of Negros Oriental State University Mabinay campus, we now step into a bigger world. We came here with dreams. Today, we live with achievements. We came here with questions. Today, we live with lessons. We came here as students. Today, we live as graduates. But remember, this is not the end. This is only the beginning. So my fellow graduates, as we take our next steps, let us not be afraid of what lies ahead. We may not know exactly where this journey will take us, but we know that we're ready to begin. We have learned, we have grown, we have struggled, we have fallen, and we have risen. And we have made it for this year. That alone should remind us of what we are capable of. So when the future becomes difficult, remember when you have started. Remember the people who believe in you. Remember the sacrifices that brought you here. And remember this day, the day we stood together and proudly said, we made it. To my fellow graduates of Negros Oriental State University Mabinay campus, congratulations. May we continue to dream. May we continue to believe. May we continue to preserve. May we continue to learn. And may we use everything we have learned to build not only successful lives, but meaningful lives. Let us leave this campus not only as graduates, but as people who are ready to make a difference. And someday, when we met again, may we look back at this day and say, we were one of the students of Norso Mabinay. We had dreams, we had struggles, we had doubts, but we kept going. And now look at us. We made it. Class of 2026-2027, we made it. We are ready, and the future is ours. Thank you. Congratulations to everyone, and may God bless us all.